partial derivatives. It is also a kind of differentiation, a kind of derivation. But if the function has many variables, then we can differentiate it with respect to only one variable. So, here while differentiating it partially, we need to treat other variables as constant only. Okay. Let f of x comma y be a function of two independent variables x and y. Here in this concept, now we are going to deal with two variables only. So, the function will have two variables. If we need to differentiate it partially, then we will treat the other variable, one variable as constant, and we will differentiate it with respect to other variable. So, u is equal to f of x comma y is a function with two independent variables x and y. So, dou u by dou x, we can write it as dou by dou x of f of x comma y or dou f by dou x. That means we are differentiating this, the function f with respect to x. But f is a function with two variables, but we are differentiating f with respect to x only. This is known as the partial derivative, and this notation we call it as dou by dou x. Usual differentiation we used to write it as d by dx, isn't it? Here the partial differentiation is we used to denote it as dou by dou x. Here dou u by dou y means we are differentiating the function u with respect to y. That means we should treat x as a constant. While differentiating it with respect to x, we need to treat y as constant. Okay. So, dou u by dou y is differentiating f of x comma y with respect to y. So, the process of finding a partial derivative is known as partial differentiation. First problem in exercise 6.4, if z is equal to ax plus b into cy plus d, then find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. It is given that z is equal to ax plus b into cy plus d. We have to find the differentiation, dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. What kind of differentiation is that? It is partial derivation. So, we are going to differentiate z partially with respect to x. Dou z by dou y means we are going to differentiate z partially with respect to y. So, it is given dou z by dou x. Ax plus b into cy plus d is the given term. So, here we need to differentiate it with respect to x. That means we can treat the other variable. Here a, b, c, d are constants, but y is another variable. So, while differentiating z partially with respect to x, we have to treat this variable, this term as a constant, a term with another variable as a constant. So, cy plus d, I have taken it out. Dou by dou x of ax plus b. Dou by dou x of ax plus b. We need to differentiate it. While differentiating ax plus b, it is a constant term. So, while differentiating, this will become 0. Ax. While differentiating ax, what's the differentiation of x? It is 1. So, differentiation of ax plus b is simply a alone. So, cy plus d into a is dou z by dou x. Similarly, we need to calculate, we need to find dou z by dou y. That means we need to differentiate z with respect to y. That is, with respect to y means we can take this variable, we can consider this variable as a constant because we need to differentiate it partially with respect to y. So, we can take the variable x as constant. So, ax plus b is constant, dou by dou z of cy plus d. So, ax plus b, what is the differentiation of cy plus d? cy, differentiation of y is 1, so it is c. Differentiation of constant b is 0. So ax plus b into c is dou z by dou y. Second problem, if u is equal to e power xy, then show that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to u into x square plus y square. What is dou square u by dou x square and dou square u by dou y square? These are second order partial derivatives. Okay, it's given that u is equal to e power xy. So, to find dou square u by dou x square, first we need to find dou u by dou x, the first order partial differentiation. So, dou u by dou x means we need to differentiate partially the function u with respect to x. So, dou u by dou x, differentiation, partial differentiation of e power xy with respect to x. So, what is the differentiation of e power xy? Differentiation of e power xy is e power xy. We need to differentiate xy. So, while differentiating xy with respect to x, differentiation of x is 1. So, y alone will come. So, e power xy into x. If 2x is there, e power 2x is there, while differentiating this, what do we get? E power 2x into 2, isn't it? Similarly, here y is there, it is another variable, but as we are differentiating it partially, we need to consider this as a constant only. So, e power xy into y, that is y e power xy. Now, second order differentiation, that is dou square u by dou x square, that is we have y into e power xy. We need to differentiate this again. So, y is there, this y, it is a constant. E power xy order differentiation, e power xy again into y. So, y into y, it is y square e power xy, and that is our 1. Now, we need to differentiate this with respect to y. Dou u by dou y is equal to, now we have to differentiate u partially with respect to y. So, e power xy into the differentiation of xy, we are differentiating it with respect to y. So, y will become 1 and x only remains. So, e power xy into x, that is x e power xy. Dou square u by dou y square, again we are differentiating. So, x into e power xy into x, we are differentiating this with respect to y again. So, e power xy, differentiation of xy is x. X into x, it is x square e power xy. What do we need to find? We need to find dou square u by, we need to show that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to u into x square plus y square. So, I take the left hand side, that is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square, that is equal to, what is dou square u by dou x square? It is our equation 1, that is y square into e power xy. What is dou square u by dou y square? That is x square into e power xy. While adding this, we can take e power xy as common. E power xy into x square plus y square. What is our e power xy? That is our u. So, instead of e power xy, we can write u into x square plus y square, and that is what we have to prove. Third problem, let u is equal to x cos y plus y cos x. Verify dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. So, our function, the given function is y is equal to x cos y plus y cos x. We need to verify this condition. So, first I will take this dou square u by dou x dou y. It is a second order partial differentiation. So, dou square u by dou x dou y means I am rewriting it as dou by dou x into dou u by dou y, dou square u. So, dou into dou u, dou x dou y. So, dou x dou y, like this we need to split it. So, dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. Okay. So, first we need to find dou u by dou y, that means we have to differentiate partially with respect to u, then again we need to differentiate this with respect to x partially. So, first dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y means we need to differentiate u with respect to y. So, x cos y, the first term is x cos y. Differentiation is with respect to y. So, x as constant, we have to treat x as constant. So, x into, what is the differentiation of cos y? Cos y is minus sin y plus y cos x is there. We need to differentiate this with respect to y. What is the differentiation of y? It is 1. Cos x alone will come. So, it is minus x sin y plus cos x. We have found dou u by dou y. Now, we need to differentiate this with respect to x. So, dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. We need to differentiate this with respect to x now. So, minus x sin y. What is the differentiation of x? Differentiation of x is 1. So, minus sin y plus cos x order differentiation minus sin x. So, I get minus sin y minus sin x. That is dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to minus sin y minus sin x, and that is our 1. Now, we need to find this dou square u by dou y dou x. So, dou square u by dou y dou x can be rewritten as dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. So, dou square u, that is dou of dou u, dou y dou x. Okay. So, dou by dou y of, we need to find dou u by dou x now. Okay. So, dou u by dou x means we need to differentiate u with respect to x. What is u? X cos y plus y cos x. We need to differentiate this with respect to x. Appo dou u by dou x means x cos y, the first term is x cos y. So, while differentiating, x will become 1 and we have cos y alone. Okay, cos y mattum irukku plus y cos x. So, y is a constant, cos x oda differentiation minus sin x. So, y into minus sin x. Now, we need to differentiate this with respect to y. So, dou by dou y of cos y plus y into minus sin x. So, while differentiating partially with respect to y, cos y will become minus sin y. Cos of the differentiation minus sin. So, minus sin y. Here minus, while differentiating y, it will become 1. So, it is sin x. So, minus sin y minus sin x, that is our equation 2, that is dou square u by dou y dou x. So, look at this, our 1 and 2 equations 1 and 2 are equal, that is dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x, and that is the thing we need to prove. Homogeneous function. A function of two independent variables x and y is said to be homogeneous function in x and y of degree n if tx, ty is equal to t power n f of x, y for t is greater than 0. Here f is a function with two variables x, y, independent variables x, y. But f of tx, ty, instead of x we need to substitute tx, instead of y we need to substitute ty. F of tx, ty is in the form t power n into f of x, y. If we could write like this, then f is a homogeneous function in x and y of degree n. And the important and interesting Euler's theorem for two variables. U of f of x, y is a homogeneous function of degree n, order n, then x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to nu. It is the Euler's theorem. X into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to n into u. N is the degree of the function. Fourth problem. Verify Euler's theorem for y is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square. The given function y of x, y is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square. So, now first we need to find u of tx ty. Instead of x we have tx, instead of y we have ty. So, as we have to substitute like that. So, x cube, that is tx the whole cube, plus y cube, that is ty the whole cube, plus 3 into tx into ty the whole square. So, that is t cube x cube plus t cube y cube plus 3 into t, here t we have t square. So, t into t square, it is t cube, x and y square. We can take t cube as common. So, t cube into x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square. It is the given function, isn't it? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy square is our u. So, t cube into u, that is u of tx ty is equal to u of tx ty is equal to t cube into u. Therefore, u is a homogeneous function with degree 3. So, by Euler's theorem, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to 3 into u. It is our, here we have used Euler's theorem because u is a homogeneous function of degree 3. Now, we need to verify Euler's theorem. So, u is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square, dou u by dou x, differentiating u partially with respect to x. So, here we are differentiating it with respect to x. So, x cube, that is 3 into x square, differentiation of x cube is 3 into x square, plus here y cube, differentiation of y cube is 0 because we are differentiating it partially with respect to x only. So, 3xy square. So, 3 and y square are constants, differentiation of x is 1. So, it is 3y square. We need to find x into dou u by dou x, that is the Euler's theorem. So, x into dou u by dou x, in the equation oda x multiply pandrom. So, while multiplying it, 3x square into x, that is 3x cube. If you want, you can write it as a separate step, plus 3y square into x, it is 3xy square, that is our equation 1. Now, we need to differentiate u partially with respect to y. So, dou u by dou y, that is, here we are having u, we are going to differentiate it partially with respect to y. So, x cube is a constant, while differentiating this constant will become 0. So, we can ignore that. Y cube, differentiation of y cube is 3y square, plus 3x is a constant, differentiation of y square is 2y. So, 3x into 2y. So, 3y square plus 3 into 2 is 6xy. We have to find y into dou u by dou y. While multiplying this equation with y, it will become 3 into y cube. 3y square oda y multiply panna, it is 3y cube, plus 6xy into again y. So, it is 6xy square. So, x dou u by dou x and y dou u by dou y, we marked it as 1 and 2. Now, we have to add it. X into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to 3x cube plus 3xy square plus 3y cube plus 6xy square. While adding this, 3x cube plus 3y cube, 3xy square plus 6xy square will become 9xy square. So, we can take 3 as common. So, 3 into x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square. So, we take 3 as common, x cube plus y cube plus xy square, that is our u. So, it is 3 into u. That implies x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to 3u. Hence, the Euler's theorem is verified. Fifth problem, let u is equal to x square y cube cos x by y. By using Euler's theorem, show that x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to phi u. It is given that u is equal to x square y cube cos x by y. So, u of x comma y is equal to x square y cube cos x by y. U of tx ty we need to find. So, u of tx ty, instead of x we need to substitute tx, and instead of y we need to substitute ty. So, x square, that is tx the whole square, y cube, that is ty the whole cube, cos tx by ty, x by y is there, so tx by ty. So, t square x square, t cube y cube, cos t and t will get cancelled, x by y. So, t square t cube here we have. So, it is 2 plus 3 5, t power 5 into x square y cube cos x by y. X square y cube cos x by y is our u. So, t power 5 into u. Okay. So, u of tx ty is equal to t power 5 into u. That implies, therefore, u is a homogeneous function of degree 5. So, by Euler's theorem, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to 5u, Euler's theorem padi. Okay. Here they are not asking us to verify the theorem, so no need for verification.